Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAU USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. So before we look at on the lower time frame to see potential entry opportunity, let's see first of all highest time frame, looking at the monthly again to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that there was a monthly long week candle. Past month has closed. Now this month, once the market opened, we have seen that initial drop, the price again at the monthly resistance level. So this is a very narrow zone, and what I think that as the market in a very narrow zone, it might keep pushing up and down and form a lower time frame range bound market. So if we look at the weekly chart to see in fact how this might be affecting the pricing, we can see that from the weekly, previous week has closed with a long week candle with a healthy body. Now this week we can see that the market tested the high and the price tested the lower shadow of the previous weekly candle and has got a rejection to the upside. Now with the rejection, what we can expect on XAUUSD as like the monthly price action, what I think that it might move in a range bound fashion to keep up and down to form a potential sideway market. Now dropping down to the daily chart to see how the market might be doing. Now if you look at the daily price action, we can see that from the daily there was a daily doji followed by what we can see the previous daily candle is a long week candle here, and as we can see the market has tested this important support level, has got up and closed as a long week candle. Now today's price action, we can see once the market opened, tested the high, tested the daily 20 EMA, it's trying to break below. If you closely look at, we can see that the market from the daily forming series of lower high and also series of higher low, it might move in a range bound market. If we closely look at, we can see the market tested the daily high and trying to reject. That means that we might see on the lower time frame coming back again and filling that daily long week. Now looking at 30 minutes perspective to see how the market might be doing. Now as we have traded yesterday, if you guys remember, we expected an inverted head and shoulder here, bouncing back to this liquidity zone, and the price has done that exactly. Now currently we can see the market in a sideway movement. As the market in a sideway, as this is an important resistance line, also important support level, and also this is an weekly and monthly resistance. What I think that the price might bounce back up, grab the liquidity, and then could come back down again to create a new lower low. So if we see the market has broken up, grab the liquidity and prepared for a potential drop, we will be looking for potential selling opportunity in this market with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.